You want to see how stupid she is? Inash, Adi. Shut up. What's up? എല്ലാവരും പുറത്തുണ്ട് ഇനി എന്ത് maybe second marriage, third marriage. First marriage in Kerala, second marriage in Nevada. In that you only found those girls in the girls. On the same what in the brochure, other pendul. That's it. And that boat is like right next to our hostel. This thing, our hostel. Yeah, no, our first orientation was so depressing. I got so depressed. The 4 years I have to study here. Total expectation I came. College.
ഞാൻ മുണ്ടിടാൻ
Monday tomorrow. Exactly. You should have said dress code, bro. Everybody would have worn a white shirt. Yeah. That was smart enough for
lift your back. പഴയ അതേ ഒരു വ്യത്യാസമില്ല. Look at his face, man.
Come here.
ഇതൊന്ന് ഫോട്ടോ ഉടുപ്പൊന്നുമല്ല, ടൈയില്ല, ബെൽറ്റില്ല. Slow motion.
First, it was like a proposal meeting. And we met at West Ham, right? Went to Boardwalkers, Shake and Fries, there's one shop. So his cousins and my family was there. So we did. Yeah, then we sat aside and we were talking. And then he's like, I told him, ask something since you want to get there. Oh, he told me, ask me something. And I'm just wondering what. I don't know, like, what to ask. Okay, so I'm like, see, I'm like, okay. Basically, I'm not like how I look like. Because I was wearing the shawl and, you know, I'm a very open-minded person. And so he's like, oh, okay. Before that, he messaged me on Instagram, actually. Yeah, really. So I told him, let our parents officially talk, then we will decide to meet and all that. So, yeah. So I was wondering, why is this guy from matrimony?
Yeah, look there. Look, camera. I give chocolate. Come. Daddy. Cheese. Why no cheese? Go out. Put that cookie wala.
I don't have.
I'll get you that cookie. You never got to this resort and seen these honeymoon couples.
I never thought you were that thing.
So, like, you know what happens?
Second meeting, no?
Yeah, my friend, okay, made a weird profile for me, my colleague. So bored at work, but it's like he's playing Tinder. Then suddenly my parents are getting called, like one girl called that you accept. I'm like, what? Who? Then her mom also gave me this thing. You got message a call and he talked to my parents, I can't do anything.
second meeting then, right? Yeah, then he told like he was traveling the Thursday to India. So he told Nala, like, let's meet one more time. Okay, but you know, our parents like basically do that. So what I did is I snuck in between work. I told my colleague to support, and then I went and met him. Like he left early from work. So I think around 3 to 5 we were together. We went to this cafe it's in the stadium, and then we were talking, and then he starts telling all about his story. And then, so then naturally even I felt like opening up, okay, listening to him talk. And then later I dropped him somewhere, and then he starts to keep checking on me, you know, like he's like calling me to know where I reached, messaging me. So I was like, okay, that's like really sweet, okay. So then I could feel that instant connection. And when I went with my friend for swimming that day, and then I was telling, like, I was like smiling, and I could only think, you know, okay, you know, I think I finally met someone, you know, who understands me. And so yeah, and then that night, actually my phone also got switched off. So then I texted him from my friend's phone, and then he again called me, and next day he left. Next day, he sends me this proposal. I still have that screenshot in my Facebook where he's telling like, so yeah, Nala, we are perfect for each other. You know, we you know, the way we have planned our future is like it just aligns. You know, we have lots of dreams that's coming up. So then, yeah. So are you ready to be mine like that? Okay. So I'm like, okay, and then I was like very excited, and my dad understood. My dad was like, he was like looking at me. They were going for walking. So my dad was like, why is she smiling? And he's like, he understood something. He didn't really ask me. And then my mother was like, what's wrong with this girl? And then dad was like, no, we'll go for walking. Let's not force her to come with us. And then they left. And then after that, they came back and then they asked anything like that. So I told like, yeah, he wants to go ahead, and I'm like, okay. And then they were like, okay, then fast forward. Within like the next weekend, we went to India, and then his entire family was there. Then I told like, you know, now it's going to be like we're going to be officially committed. And every day we used to talk like how we got to know about each other completely. When I in Qatar, I used to go for work. It's a very far off place, and literally 40 kilometers from my office. Every day I had to travel. So that time he used to call me He used to tell me like, okay, I'll call him back, and then we used to talk for hours, you know. He used to tell all the stories, and he even called me whenever he was with his friends, so that they would also introduce themselves, and even my friends also could talk to him. So, yeah, initial stages. Yeah, no, but then that's how I got to know the names of his friends and all that.
कच्ची डोरियों 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 से मैनू तू बांध ले पक्की यारियों 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 में होंदे ना फासले ए नाराजगी कागजी सारी तेरी मेरे सोहणिया सुन ले मेरी दिल दियां गल्लां नाल बह के अख नाले अख नू मिला के दिल दियां गल्लां करांगे रोज रोज बह के सच्चियां मुहब्बतां निभा के सताए मैनू क्यों दिखाए मैनू क्यों एवें झूठी मूठी रुस के रुसा के दिल गल्लां करांगे नाल नाल बह के अख नाले अख नू मिला के छुपा के रखा आँखां ते सजा के तू है मेरी वफा रख अपना बना के मैं तेरे लिया यारा ना पावी कदे दूरियां तेनू लखा तो छुपा के रखा आँखां ते सजा के तू है मेरी वफा रख अपना बना के मैं तेरे लिया यारा ना पावी कदे दूरियां मैं जीना है तेरा मैं जीना है तेरा तू जीना है मेरा दस लेना की नखरा दिखा के दिल दियां गल्लां करांगे नाल नाल बह के अख नाल अख नू मिला के दिल दियां गल्लां
Trust me, this marriage was more perfect than I could ever imagine.
It's nice. More than a partner, I was looking for a very good friend, and she can be a very good friend. She is also the best friend. She's fun. That comes with value. Yes, she's fun. She's got an aim in her life. She's not that one without any vision, like an aim, what I call a goal in life. She's got this particular goal and what she wants in the future. She's strong with her career-wise. She knows what to do. Plus, she's fun and naturally, I would say, just adding up
He told the nice things, you know, about him, and then he's like, I'm out of words now. He's very easy going, like, you know, when I told, like, when it comes to making a decision, you know, I don't really calm down. So he's like, you know, it's okay. You know, we can just, like, we can take it there.
like
it's a good mentality. Yeah, it's that's one thing. Okay, and then the fact that he gets me. Okay, like, you know, even if I don't really, I'm a very expressive person. I try to hide my emotions. I actually try, but I still don't. He understands really fast, you know, if something is bothering me, even if it's on a WhatsApp conversation. You know, he's like, he senses it. He's like, something is wrong. മുന്നോട്ട് പോയിട്ട് അവിടെ പോയിട്ട്
Parents will reach in 5 minutes, you know.
My parents, they're on time. They're always on time. അവൻ കണ്ടത് അവൻ കൂട്ടാ നോട്ടോ ഞാനാണ് അഫ്സാല്
आधा तेरा आधा मेरा एक दिल बना मेरी तुम हो गुम हो गए सोचा कि ये क्या हुआ मेरी तुम हो आधा तेरा आधा मेरा एक दिल बना मेरी तुम हो गुम हो गए सोचा कि ये क्या हुआ मेरी तुम हो उम्मीद जिससे न थी वो आसरा है बनी मंजिल जो मेरी न थी वो जुस्तजू हो चली किस्सा था क्या क्या हो गया
Wash the toilets.
You always told he would be cleaning the toilet.
Bad.
He told me split, you know. That's deal's a deal.
Make the bed, do the laundry, go hang the clothes. Like I'll wake up with the coffee. No?
You'll only wake up with coffee. That's the only task you can do. So cute.
വേലയും നേരവും എന്നോ മാഞ്ഞു ഒഴിഞ്ഞ വീതിയിലെ കൈവിളക്കായി നിന്നു ഞാൻ മണൽ പായയിൽ അന്തികയിൽ കുഞ്ഞിടങ്ങൾ വീശി വിഴാതെ കണ്ണിലന്നു വിങ്ങിയ നീർന്നേ ഒരാതെ തോരുന്നോരോർമ്മ തന്റെ കണ്ണി എന്നെ വിട്ടിട്ടെന്നെ പോയി മഞ്ചാടിക്കൊള്ളി എന്നെ കത്തി തീരത്തെന്റെ മോഹം പേരോടി ആറ്റുമണൽ പായയിൽ അന്തിവയിൽ കാഞ്ഞനാൾ കുഞ്ഞിളങ്കൈ വീശി നീ ആറ്റുമണൽ പായയിൽ അന്തിവയിൽ കാഞ്ഞനാൾ കുഞ്ഞിളങ്കൈ വീശി നീ ആറ്റുമണൽ പായയിൽ അന്തിവയിൽ കാഞ്ഞനാൾ കുഞ്ഞിളങ്കൈ വീശി നീ ഓടിയേറിപ്പോയില്ലേ कैसे गिरता है झरना झरनों की मौज है वो मुझकी रवानी है
Well, Afsar and I go a very long time back, and I know him from being a fat little kid in school. He's not as fat as he used to be. He's like toned down. He looks but yeah, I'll always be there as a friend with him. This is another event in life. Congrats on that.
That was just because I did that. So
That is Sancho. Nice game.
It's
amazing. Thanks to also, I know all these people behind me. How do I know also? Well, he was my neighbor. I used to live one floor above him, and then he's my neighbor. That's how I know.
That was
First time we met.
No.
I think we need to cancel that.
First time I met Afzal at party.
Come.
He should be there, dude. He's loyal driver.
Can we not talk about that?
Marwan is his best friend. So since Hindustan. Since school.
He's my classmate, so I know him through college. And yeah, he taught me all the bad habits that
Everybody goes off. Support Afzal.
After the teaching, he wouldn't have
Yeah, exactly. I would have been so good right now. But yeah, Afzal is a great guy.
Inspired him to become a
And
pilot.
we failed through everything in college, but we made it through the end. I don't know how, Afzal. But I'm so happy that you're getting married, bro. Really good.
bro, Afzal.
All the best, Afzal. I'll be there for your second marriage.
Too late.
But I'll be there for the third as well.
Yeah, we're waiting for the junior, yeah? Junior. Very soon.
Afzal Junior.
Yeah,
Afzal crazy.
Yeah, of course, start a family in few years.
5 years.
Yeah, okay, that's his expectation. He's like 3, and we're having an argument. 3, I'm like 2. I don't like 1 boy, 1 girl. That's more than enough. And he's like, no, 3 boys. I'm like, what? Because I told, okay, 1 nanny per boy. So yeah, that's what our plan is, so far. And we're just like taking 1 step at a time,